Let's draw our easy drawing using protractor and compass. Protractor is very helpful to draw our straight lines for our house and also for other pictures. Our protractor has the curvy structure on the other side. By this we can also draw the curves and waves. Now we are drawing the roof for our home. Now we are drawing the door for our home. Drawing the windows for our home. See, our protractor is very much helpful to draw the straight lines where we can increase our creativity. Now we can pick our compass to draw the circle in the wall, which is very easy. See, the wolf is watching our home. He is walking slowly inside our home. We are drawing the smoke which is coming from our exhaust. Now we are drawing our garden area. Then we can draw our fence. Oh, see there! There is a white tree in our home, which is dancing beautifully. Now we are drawing the tree nearby our home. Oh, wow! Birds are flying in the sky. It's very adorable. Now we can draw our birds. Next we can pick our compass to draw the circle, to draw our sun. See, it's very easy. We are drawing the eyes for our sun. Then we can draw his nose and lips. The smiley sun is here. Wow! We are creating a pathway for our home. That's it. We have done our scenery very beautifully.
Wow! Wow!
Now we can darken the lines using the sketch pen. Hey, here we can see our homegrown birds and natural creatures which are coming forward. Now the fox is visiting our home. Now we can give some colors to our home. We can make it more beautiful with this. We are painting our wall with copper color. Copper. Then our roof with the red color. Wow!
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk
getting more orangey yellow in the no time.
Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh.
Now we have to draw the edges carefully,
Skip to my loo,
so the paint will be more beautiful in this picture.
my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling.
Then we are painting the sun rays, which are coming from the sun.
Cows in
Here, the bear is dancing in the garden.
moo, moo, moo. Cows in the pasture, moo, moo, moo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my darling. Little red wagon.
Now we are painting our windows with the blue color, which is very beautiful.
Painted blue. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo. Skip to my
Parrot green for the door.
my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my loo, my
The adorable peacock is here in our home.
to Texas 2x2, off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, skip to my
Now we are painting our wooden fence with brown color.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo,
Now we are painting our exhaust with the purple color.
skip to
Green for the tree.
my darling. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Found my partner, love is true. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to my loo, loo, loo. Skip to
Now
my
we
loo,
are painting our grassy garden with the dark green color. See, beautiful peacock is dancing in front of our home. Wow! Now we can paint our sky with the blue color. Here we are using the acrylic paint.
W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs.
Wolf is watching our completed home. The color is very beautiful. We got the colorful home here.
F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with
So now we complete our beautiful picture using the protractor and the compass, which are very helpful tools for us. We got the completed picture here. Happy drawing! See you again! Bye!